Good afternoon and welcome back to Saltine at the Main. My name is Mark Beyer, the Chief Mixologist for the Main. Today we're going to walk us through a nice herb garden cocktail. I know a lot of us through COVID have probably been working on our own herb gardens at home. So we're going to be picking some mint from our herb garden today, making a Southside cocktail. But we're going to be using a unique spirit called Singani. It's a Bolivian spirit made from grapes and has a fantastic flavor that should go great with our fresh mint from our gardens. So, like I said, base spirit, Ruggiero Singani, but to start this cocktail off, we're going to start with some fresh picked mint. We're going to be picking the leaves right off the stem, straight into the shaker, adding that nice fresh herbal flavor that everyone knows and loves, from mojitos to mint juleps, but not many of us know a Southside. Next, we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, as well as a 1-to-1 ratio simple syrup by weight, sugar and water. 3/4 of an ounce goes straight into the shaker tin. Last but not least, 2 ounces of Ruggiero Singani. Singani is a really unique spirit, has a really nice flavor. Not quite neutral, but not really funky at all. Wow. And we'll give that a really hard shake to chill off that cocktail, beat up that mint, and extract all of those mint flavors into the cocktail. And we'll grab a double fine strainer, or any mesh strainer works from home. You can use a colander if you like, if it works for you. And we'll pour this up into a chilled coupe or martini glass if you have those at home. And there you have it, the Singani Southside. Cheers.